Once again, I am reminding you a quick revision format of any letter, but since we are discussing complaint letter nowadays, so this is also a kind of business letter, an official letter, okay? And so remember, we all know, but sender's address, 2 to 3 or 4 lines, depend that in your question how long the address is. No punctuation mark, no comma, no full stop. Thereafter, date. We all know how to write date after leaving one line. We had a discussion yesterday. Then again, receiver's address. Okay. And salutation, dear sir, oblique madam, or the most basically, it's a common say, salutation, dear sir, which can be used for both the genders. Wah, Kumar Sahil. What is wrong with you? Kumar Sahil, clean the screen or otherwise I will remove you from the class. Kumar Sahil.
There is a noise.
Yes, Kumar Sahil. By mistake it happened, doesn't matter. But don't act like a kid. Be careful. So, date, receiver's address, salutation. Sorry. Okay, Sahil, I accept your apology. Then we have salutation, subject, one-liner, body of the letter, complimentary clause, signature, name in capitals. Clear? Is it clear? Any question? No, then mute yourself. Fine. Okay, now let's come to the question. 1 minute. Now, this is the question. The unsanitary conditions in your colony are causing multiple diseases. Write a letter to the municipal commissioner bringing the problem to his notice and request him to take urgent action in the matter. You are Deepak Deepa of C 2/8 Ankur Enclave, New Delhi. Now, question is clear. Sit with a pen and paper. Sit with your pen and paper. I want all of you to do the practice. Come on. Don't waste your time. The unsanitary conditions in your colony. You all know the meaning of sanitation, sanitization, and it is the reason for causing multiple diseases. So write a letter. You all know how to begin a letter. C 2/8 Ankur Enclave, New Delhi, then date, the municipal commissioner, any address, Connaught Place, whatever, Delhi, dear sir. Subject is what? Insanitary conditions in the colony. You can take the subject from your question. No need to think something different. Okay, ज़्यादा risk नहीं लेना है. The question itself says unsanitary condition in your colony. So you can simply write down unsanitary condition in the colony, in my colony. Okay. Up simple that I am a resident of Ankur Enclave for past whatever years. I would like to bring to your notice. You start writing. Thereafter, I will show you the sample letter also. 3 paragraph, first very 2 or 3, 2 also, 3 also, doesn't matter. 3 means third paragraph will be the smaller one. Smaller one like you are requested to take immediate action. Okay, I hope that you will do the needful as soon as possible. So third paragraph will be one liner. Basically 2 paragraphs. First of all, you will introduce yourself. Who are you? And why you are writing, on which behalf, whose behalf you are writing letter. and thereafter you will give a detailed description that how it is causing multiple diseases. What happens during rainy season? Water is, it is what happened? Please keep on writing. Write down at least point. Whole condition. It become the breeding ground for mosquitoes. Okay, different kind of exposure to the residents of that area, dengue, malaria, unhealthy condition, disease prone area. You can also write down about the present condition that already we are going through a pandemic. You can also add one more line. We are already going through a pandemic, so let's take extra precaution nowadays. Got it? You all are working or not? Tell me quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
I know you will not practice. So please, my dear children, take these questions seriously. Otherwise, you will be in problem and I will not be able to explain you. Yes. Done, children? I want you to write on अभी लिखो. I have seen कि एक YouTube पे एक वीडियो आता है जिसमें कि somebody showed me that how children are actually studying with that person and he is doing nothing. He is simply studying, and so that is actually a kind of motivation. So I also want to motivate you through this. That don't sit idle कि चलो मैम ने दे दिया है, she is not going to correct our copies, it's not feasible and possible, so we will stop working and we will sit idle. Don't do that, because it is going to benefit you. So let's move to the answer. May I show you the answer, a model answer?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay. Doesn't matter. You can take your time, but not more than, it's 11:16, 4 more minutes you will get. The municipal commissioner, and since you are writing this letter from New Delhi, see, you have only one address, but you can simply make another address also, a fictitious another, but don't write XYZ or something. The municipal commissioner, any address, anything, and then New Delhi. Okay, children, now see the model. One letter I'm going to show you, although you can use your own language. See. First of all, sender's address, thereafter date, the municipal commissioner, Sahadra, dear sir. Subject is very common, in sanitary conditions in the colony. And then you can stay straightforward, because since now this question is carrying only 5 marks and you have very limited word, so you are not supposed to use any kind of exaggeration or something. You will simply write down, come to the point that I have been a resident of Ankur Enclave for the past 11 years. I would like to bring to your notice the insanitary conditions in your colony. Now, this is the, if this is itself is in your question, rubbish and garbage lie in heaps, common line, lack of drainage system raises a persistent foul smell in the area, very common. During rainy season, water stagnates in the pits on the street, which makes the whole condition even worse. These become the breeding ground for mosquitoes. Again, a common thing which you have read most of the time in, your social studies book, which exposes the residents to multiple disease like dengue, malaria, etc. Our colony has become an unhealthy and disease-prone area. Every day, someone or the other is succumbing to deadly disease. Succumb means to surrendering themselves, dying. Some of the families have also shifted lock, stock, and barrel to better lock. So basically, you can also add one line like, as I told you, that during this pandemic, when we are actually struggling, hmm, uh, uh, we are actually struggling during this pandemic. So we should take proper precaution. So, and then you will come to the, this is the third stanza, which only one liner. You are requested to take an immediate remedial action to set things right, or I hope that you will do the needful, or I hope that you will take some action. Anything. You are requested to take an immediate remedial action to set things right as soon as possible. Thanking you. Instead of yours faithfully, I told you not to write it. It is better to write yours truly. TRULY, yours truly. Okay, children? Did you get an idea, a rough idea?
Yes, ma'am. I send my answer to the your person.
Hare Ram, please. I'm listening. Rest of you, did you get an idea? We will practice another letter also. Okay. So I'm coming to the next letter. Now see, as I told you that different type of complaint letter will be there. Different type. I think there can be 50 type, 100 types of complaint letter. Okay, because in you have a lot of complaint. Now this is also one of the model question. You are the physical education instructor at St. Jesus and Mary School, Agra. You had placed an order, that also I'm going to teach you how to place an order. But here that is not the thing. You had placed an order for a sports good with student sports enterprise. When the items arrived, you found that some of them were defective. Write a letter to the manager, Student Sports Enterprises, asking him to replace the defective items. Now, this is one question. Think about it. This is a new question. Think about it. I'm giving you some time. Now, similarly, you will simply write down physical education department, St. Jesus and Mary School, Agra, date, the manager, student, sports enterprise, any address near Taj Mahal, Agra. Dear sir, subject is simple. What is the subject? What will be the subject? Anyone?
Ma'am, replace the defective items.
Yes, yes, very good. So you have to, your subject is very simple. Asking him to replace the defective items. So basically, replacement of defective items. That's all. Nothing extraordinary. You have to write it down. Only your answer will comprise that replacement of damaged goods, defective items, which is already in your question. I always used to suggest my children that don't use unnecessary word, because sometimes what happens if you have no command on language, देखो, I'm scared of that, and you have to work on how to get maximum number of marks. So instead of thinking, those who are very good in language, they can use whatever comes to their mind. But it is always better to select words from the question itself, है ना? कोई extra effort नहीं लगाना है, because already half of the things are there in the question. So you can simply write down replacement of defective items, damaged goods. Now, अब यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा different हो जाता है letter. We can start that so and so we above the consignment was delivered. यहाँ तो इसलिए I'm showing you one sample. 1 minute. See, please refer to our order number. कुछ भी दे दोगे. Dated इतना इतना for some sports goods. The above consignment was delivered to us on so and so date. I regret to inform you that some of the items have been found defective and अब इसको now you can begin your letter like this also. मान लो तुम्हें इतना दिमाग उस समय माइंड क्राम नहीं कर रहा एग्जाम हॉल में, तो यू कैन सिंपली स्टार्ट आई वुड लाइक टू, या सीधे आई रिग्रेट टू इन्फॉर्म यू, जैसे मैंने कंप्लेंट लेटर में सिखाया है, आई रिग्रेट टू इन्फॉर्म यू दैट सम ऑफ द आइटम्स हैव बीन which we have ordered have been found defective and are not as per specification, yeah, not as per the order instruction. It seems that this particular consignment has not undergone any inspection, and that is why there is not even a single sport equipment is good in condition. अब यहाँ पे आ सकते हो कि my order number, because you need to give him a detail. So my order number was so and so. I ordered it on so and so date, because this is very important. As I told you कि जैसे मैंने बताया है, तो थोड़ा सा कि my order number, my bill number, okay? So I request, you are therefore requested to, ये third paragraph छोटा सा, to replace the defective items immediately, or if the items, ये भी कर सकते हो, if the items are not available, then you can refund the money as soon as possible. And if you will send it again, then please do ensure the quality of the items as also the specifications this time. And early response will be highly appreciated. ये सब end है. And one liner, and early response will be highly appreciated. Hope you will do the needful as quickly as soon as possible. Okay. So you can ask for replacement. You can, अब यहाँ पे इसने replacement ही मांगा है subject में, तो एक clause दे सकते हो कि if replacement is not possible, then you can refund the money. Got it? शुरू वैसे ही कर दो. I regret to inform you. That is the better way. I gave you the sample letter, the previous one. Note down, children. And last में एक line और लिखना, which is not here. I'm enclosing the Xerox of bill with this letter. Okay. Did you finish writing, children? Raise your hands or say something. Now this is your homework. I want all of you to note it down. See, children, are you listening? You are Raghav Renu Sharma, President RWA, C Block, Janakpuri, New Delhi. The main park in your locality, which was once a model park, lies in a state of utter neglect. It has become a favorite spot for anti-social elements and a permanent resting place for stray animals. Write a letter to the municipal commissioner requesting him to instruct the horticulture department to take prompt action and restore the park to its original condition. Note down this question. You know what is horticulture? It is an art of cultivating plants in garden, parks, then also, yes, subject is again very clear, poor condition of the Central Park, model park. You can simply that I regret to inform you, I want to draw your kind attention to the miserable condition of our park, which is situated so and so place. It is, and most of the answers, things are there. It is in a state of utter neglect. It has become a favorite spot for antisocial elements. See, half of the answer is there in your question itself. No, so smart. It has become a permanent resting place for stray animals. Then you can add some more thing. No greenery. Okay. Antisocial people are doing some criminal activity also there. No safe and secure place for children to play. Even old people, they cannot move and walk peacefully in this place. It is actually spoiling the entire atmosphere of the place. No, even the greenery is not up to the mark. So you have to ask the horticulture department also, and as well as you have to ask municipal corporation to take from task and through police department so that the antisocial elements will not come here. You know, that is also important. So this is your homework. I want all of you to practice these letters. Otherwise, what will happen? Nowadays it is so difficult during these online classes. I can't see you that whether you are doing it or not. When school will get reopened, I'm going to correct your copies and check. So finally, you all have noted down this question. Now, if you have any query, anything, you can ask me. Yes, these type of letters will come in first term.